subscribe to Android Discovery channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Android Discovery. My name is Amrit. In this video we will talk about Xiaomi Mi TV 4C32. Xiaomi has launched yet another 32-inch smart TV in India. New model called Mi TV 4C32, has exact same features as the already available Mi TV 4A Pro 32, the Mi TV 4A32 Horizon Edition, and the discontinued Mi TV 4C Pro 32. It only varies slightly in terms of design. Xiaomi Mi TV 4C32 sports a 32-inch LED backlit LCD panel with a resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels, HD, 60Hz refresh rate, 8 ms response time, and 178 viewing angle. TV is powered by a 64-bit Amlogic SoC consisting of a quad-core CPU and a Mali 450 MP3 GPU. Chipset is paired with 1GB RAM and 8GB storage. Like all Xiaomi televisions outside China, this one also runs Android TV, unspecified version, and comes with the company's in-house patch wall launcher. TV supports all the leading streaming platforms available in India, in addition to Chromecast built-in, Google Assistant, Vivid Picture Engine, Xiaomi's proprietary color profile, and Mi QuickWave, turns on TV within 5 seconds. Xiaomi Mi TV 4C32 is on sale in India at an introductory price tag of 15,999. It can be purchased from either mi.com or Flipkart. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.